Hi, this is Rich from Newschoolpiano. Hey, we're going to tackle a Beatles song called Let It Be. There's plenty of videos out there. I think everybody's got their own way of playing it. I actually just listened to it and took a listen and looked at the voicings of it. Basically, you know the song. It's... That's the song. It's all in the voicings. There's 4 chords to the song. C to G to A minor to F and then C, G. And it does this rung. All right, and I think the key to the song is in these voicings in the right hand. It starts with C octaves, I believe. Okay, so it's then to a G, and then A minor. That's a big note right there, that D. And then it goes back to the C, then G, and then that rundown, which is... Left hand is going to do this. All right, I'm going to do one version at full speed. Let's see what it sounds like. Do it again. I'm going to do it with simple left hand. One more time. By the way, for players with smaller hands, some of the younger players, you may not be able to do all that. So what you can do is always drop the low note off like this. Watch it again with both hands. I'll do this with 3 note chords. Go back as always, practice it. Use the YouTube feature that slows things down if you need to. If you have any questions, send me it in the comments. I always love hearing from the audience. Thank you very much for listening to our videos. Really appreciate all the subscribers. Please subscribe to our channel. Thanks to Focusrite and Yamaha and JBL, working with them. Have fun practicing, and this one goes out to Casey, my student. Have a great day. Bye-bye.